Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure OPPO Find X3 Neo for a senior person. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find the simple mode in the search or go through the advanced settings. So write simple mode and here we have it. Now when you enter it, you'll see that the icons become much bigger. Also the text is larger. And when you go for the settings, there's a limited amount of the icons, so there's no phone breaking settings that you can change right here. But there's option to exit the simple mode if you want to leave it, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.